Hello, today we are going to talk about multiples of a number till 100, like how to write a code to print the multiples of any number written by the user till 100. So first of all, we are going to make a variable that is number 1. You can make any variable, you can just call it number, you can just call it 1, it's up to you. So number equals int, this is short for integer because we want to convert this value into an integer, that is why we are putting it in its brackets. Then we are using input keyword. Input keyword is used to take a response from the user. So this is the question, like input your number. You will see how it works in a minute. Well, everything is in brackets. So the first two brackets, the yellow ones, are for integer because whatever number the user is going to write, it's going to be converted into integer since Python takes input as a string. Then the two brackets here, the purple ones, they are used for input. And remember, you always write your string, the alphabets or any sentence in quotation marks. You can see I've used quotation marks around your number and this column. The next thing we have done is we have used the print keyword over here, and it says print, and then I have used f string. F string is used to place a value that is already saved somewhere else into a string. Okay, that sounds confusing. F, and then I've started a string. I'm gonna zoom it in so I think it will be more clear. F here stands for just F, like it's gonna be working as a function. So like F table of number one. As you can see, I have already made this number one variable over here, and these curly brackets over here, they are going to tell this whole code that this number one should be taken from this variable, and this variable will save the user input. For example, let us say I have given the number 3. So the print statement is going to be like table of 3. Instead of number 1, you will see 3 written over here in the result. And this is all because you have used an f string. If you wouldn't put an f over here, it will not understand that you are using an f string. And that is why we are calling it an f string. And you can also see I've used this quotation marks because this whole thing is a string, and we are using these curly brackets to put the value of the variable into this string. Next, we have a loop. We are using a for loop, and for loops are used for repeating or iterating a sequence of numbers. In this case, it's numbers, that is why I'm saying numbers. For number one in range, number one, 101, and number one. Now, this is so confusing. I'm going to make it more clear. So, we are making a range, and in range, you are just making a list of numbers. You are telling Python to start from somewhere, like the first number you're going to write, or first variable, whatever it is, that is the starting point. And then after the comma, you are going to write the ending point, like where to end. There must be a number. So 101 is the number where the list has to end. After another comma, you are going to tell the steps. It's like doing skip counting, like skip by 3, skip by 4. It will be more clear in just a minute. Range is a keyword, in is a keyword, and for is a keyword. So this whole thing is used to tell Python that you need to make a list of numbers that is based on the user input. User has told us the number 3. So you're going to start from 3. The number 1 says 3, it will say 3. It will end at 101. It wouldn't end exactly at 101 because in Python we are always giving one number more because the index starts from like 0. Like if we want something to be till 100, we are going to write 101. If we want something to be end at 50, we are going to give it an ending point of 51. It's like that. And then number 1 is the steps we are giving. Like you have to skip by 3 after every number. After that, I am printing number 1. So like keep printing number 1. And this is just because I have used this over here. If I make it I, and if I make it I, it's going to give me the same result, because this is just like the value, like the variable in which you are saving this data and printing it. I'm going to play it now. See, now it's asking for an input, and I'm gonna put 9. Let us put 7. See, it gives me a times table of 7, and you can see it's going up till 100, but it's not showing me 100 because you don't get 107 times table. Otherwise, if you will write a number in which 100 is a multiple of that, so it will show you. I'm gonna play it now. See, you have 100 here. So this is how you can print multiples of a certain number, and you can do it through taking input from the user.